Okay, so attempt number 2. Starting this bike, but this would be the first attempt using starting fluid. So I have the car battery hooked up, and I have the gravity funnel set up. It has fuel in it, so the level is right here, which is above the level of the carbs. So I will spray starting fluid within the inside of the inlets of the carburetors and swing and see if she fires over. If she fires over, then I know for sure the ignition system is good and it's just a fuel delivery issue. And then I would, once that happens, I will take the cars back out and give them a second thorough cleaning. So let's go. Just crazy, bro. All right, tap number 2. Nothing. So it might be ignition after all.